Hi, welcome to our channel CATIA, SolidWorks and AutoCAD in English. I welcome you all for the session on SolidWorks Sketcher Part 5. In this video, we learn about the patterns in SolidWorks Sketcher as well as transformation features such as move, scale, copy, stretch, rotate. We'll see this. Initially, I will draw one rectangle. For this pattern command, we will go for linear sketch pattern. The entities to pattern is already selected. I selected this rectangle as a reference. In the x-axis, you should specify the number of instances. I increased instances to 5. And the distance between the center point to the center point or any reference points, the same corresponding points should be given. I gave that as 35 inches in x-axis. You can go for 2-dimensional. You can go for y-axis as well. In the y-axis also I gave this as 5. You can increase the number of pattern how much ever you want you can. Next, you can also make the instance to skip. You have option there, instance to skip. You can go and if you selected, it will select it and it will skip that particular instance. This is the execution of linear sketch pattern. Next, we will move to circular sketch pattern. As we know, the linear and the circular, these are the two patterns that are present in SolidWorks Sketcher. I will draw one circle which is for reference. I will draw the circle entities to pattern along this circle. If I select this circular pattern, it will be, you should go and you should select its axis or axial point, the particular center point of axis. So I should replace that point there. That will be the center for circular pattern. If I select that, I should select this pattern to entities to pattern. Later, if I select that center point of this circle, it will take the circular pattern. You can increase number of instances or you can give different angles for different instances as well. I gave this as equal spacing 6 instances. I created 6 instances. This is the execution of circular sketch pattern. Next, we have transformation features such as move entities. I will select this and I should select the start point and the end point. Next, it is copy entities. Copy is similar to move, but in the move the original will be moved, but in the copy the original will also be present along with this newly created one. As the name suggests, it is copy. Next, we have rotate entities. I will select that particular entities and specify the center of rotation point and specify the angle of inclination or angle at which you want to rotate. This is how rotate command works. We will see one more example for this. One more entities we have, scale entities. Scaling, as you know, increasing the size of a particular segment or particular sketch. If you increase it, I am increasing it by 2.5 ratio. You can see that there is a copy option there. If you uncheck the copy, it will create the final one. The initial will not be there. If you uncheck the copy, if you check the copy, you can get the number of entities there. If I uncheck it, it will be only a single one. Now we will go for, this is a fixed point, we will go for with copy. If I want more than one instance of copy also, I can get scaling according to the corresponding 2.5 and the scaling of 2.5 from that point. You can see this is how it will generate after the scaling. Next, finally we have stretch entities. For this I will draw one rectangle. Initially this can be used when there is a condition. For example, if you want to increase the width of the rectangle or increase the length of the rectangle, this is how you can increase. You should make the selection proper for the stretch entities. Select which side is to be stretched and then the starting point, stretch about. This is how you can use the stretch commands. Stretch entities. These are the transformation features in the SolidWorks sketcher that we saw. Move, copy, scale, we saw all this. In this video we learnt about the sketcher pattern and the move, copy, rotate, scale, stretch entities. These are the transformation features that we learnt in this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like and share and subscribe for our channel for more videos on CATIA, SolidWorks and AutoCAD in English. Thank you for watching. I am Vijayar who created this video. We will meet in the next